Hey there, it's Nick from Ruly. In this video, I'll show how to create and test webhooks. I'll show an example of a webhook that validates security using URL parameters, and an example that validates security via a security header. Let's create the first webhook. I'll name it Payment Processing. The name determines what the endpoint will be called. Copy this URL to make a call in Postman. Here we are in Postman. I'll paste the URL and select the post verb. Each webhook requires security. Let's provide a token for the security in the API key. I'll do my secret. The easiest security setup is when the token comes from the URL query string. To validate the call, let's enter the verification. I'll type request URL token equals API key. This will extract the token from the URL and will check that it is equal to the API key. Every webhook needs to be secured to be accepted by Ruly. Let's make a test to see how it works. Here we see the call was successful. Let's edit this webhook so that it validates from the header. Under the headers in Postman, let's add another header called My Security Header. And type in My Secret as the value. Let's remove the token from the URL. Let's make the new webhook that we're using for the second example. I'll add My Security Header, My Header, into the webhook security header format field. In the verification section, I'll enter my header equals API key. And we'll store the same value as the API key, my secret. Click Send. Here we see the webhook was successful. And if I change the value to something else, the call will show unauthorized. On the Ruly webhook, I can click on the Logs tab to see the logs of all the calls I just made. Here we see the body. Now let's link a create operation to extract data from this webhook. I'll use a payment processing model. In the target field value section, I'll add payment ID, amount, and status. Using the magnifying glass icon, select the JSON properties to assign to these fields. Let's make the call again. Here we are on the payment processing model list. We see that a record was added to the list. Thanks for watching.